Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here on my YouTube channel for the first time, what I want you to do, please smash that like button and please hit that subscribe button as well, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well, because man, it lets YouTube know that you're interested of making money online. Because I know some of you guys are probably like saying like, man, I'm looking for an opportunity. I'm looking for a best way to start making money online. What do I need to do to improve myself to make money online without any BS from other people that does not work? You know, like I told you guys last night. Um, if you never saw my videos last night, when I made a video last night about my Legy secret case study with Digistore 24, go ahead and check that out, man, and leave some comments down below as well too. So yeah, man. Um, if you want to comment on my video, go ahead and let me know, saying that you are ready to make money online and you're ready to get started with affiliate marketing. Okay, before we get started, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is when you're promoting different products or different businesses, and you promote the product. Like, let's say, for example, you promote like a health product, like a health and fitness product, and let's say somebody want to lose weight, and they decide to buy that product from you. Guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna get paid. You're gonna get a commission. It could be like between from 50 to 100% commissions paid direct to you. So without further ado, let's get into some action. All right. So yes. So ClickBank. So some of you guys who don't know about ClickBank, ClickBank is a place where you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, as an affiliate. So with that being said, ClickBank is one of the worldwide. They pay out $2 billion to affiliates in the market, because you know why? Because affiliates has been promoting different products from different businesses and making a commission. So a lot of affiliates been making a killing out here. So if some of you guys are not new to ClickBank, you can easily like register right here. You can register. So we're gonna click sign up. All right. So here's the thing. What you want to do as a newbie, if you're new here, what you want to do, you want to sign up. It's 100% free to join. And what you want to do, if you live in another state or anything like that, that's fine. But here's the thing: if you want to put your first and last name here, you put your phone number, your email, and a good password, and click the continue the terms and conditions. And then what you want to do, you want to like say I have read and agreed to the terms and the conditions. Okay, and then you want to hit join ClickBank. All right. So once you do that, I'm going to log in into my ClickBank account. Okay, I'm gonna log into my ClickBank account, as you can see. All right, and then we're gonna hit Marketplace. And then these are the categories that that you're gonna be start promoting. All right, these are the categories you can pick, but you can only pick like uh, the ones that's really hitting right now. I'm gonna just say is e-marketing, like e-business slash e-marketing, and then you got the health and fitness. Now both of these categories are making a lot of sales right now, as you can see. They're making a lot of sales right now, as you can see. So here's the thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, right? I'm going to sort this by gravity, all right? Sort it by gravity. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down right here. I'm going to promote this. I'm going to promote this one product right here. Proposal income 365. All right. So I'm going to promote that. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit the sales page, the sales affiliate page, right? We're going to go down, all the way down, all the way down, until we see like see, I already have, what, not yet. Let me see something here. Yeah. JD1, okay. Oh, you already signed up for that. Okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right, you have it. All right. So there we go. So here's the thing. Okay. So once again, guys, I understand that you're looking for a best way to make money. So let me tell you something right now. What we're gonna do right now, what we're gonna do right now. Let me log in back to my ClickBank account real quick. Just real quick. Let me log into my ClickBank account. Let me log in. I'm gonna log back in real quick. Don't worry, guys. Let me log back in. Just real quick. Sometimes it happens like that, you know. And close this and go back. No. All right. Here we go. All right. So we got a marketplace right now. I'm gonna sort this by gravity. Okay. All right. All right. So now I'm back on. Okay. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna use a site called My Lead Secret. Now I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. That way you can sign up for free. I mean, not for free. That means you can sign up. So basically, if you want to use this platform that give you leads, what I want you to do, I want you to, when you come straight here, watch a video that's going to explain everything what you need to know about the My Lead Secret. Because I'm telling you, this platform is a nice program that give you leads every single day. I'm not talking about, oh, 1 day, 2 days, not a week or a month or nah. This program give you leads every single day. All right? You get 100 leads. Now, let's say you want to invite somebody, right? Say if you invite a friend to join the opportunity, right? And this is a case study. I'm teaching you guys how to make money online because I know some of you guys are tired of spending up your money and not getting results. And people in the gurus will promise you that you will make money. Don't believe them no more. I've been through that already. I've seen it all. They played us all already. We're not stupid. We're smarter than that. But at the time, that's how life goes, man. That's how it is. But at the end of the day, don't worry because I'm teaching you a good method. That's something that you want to learn, all right? So here's the thing. Now, like I said, if you continue to watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you a good, powerful way how to double your money. How to double your money by just by picking different products, by doubling up your money, and then once you do that, guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna start seeing results, but not until you do the work first. It's not gonna come there and there unless you do the work. So if you put like 1 hour a day or 30 minutes a day, you just kick back and relax and chill back and do. And if you got kids, if you single mothers, single fathers, um, if you are like if you're like 18, 19, or you're young, or you just or you're a cougar, something, you know, if you want to make money online, then you gotta show yourself that you can. You can't just go around listening to other people telling you, oh, this ain't gonna work for you, oh, this ain't gonna do nothing, oh, that ain't gonna do nothing. I always tell people, stop listening to people that say things like that. Avoid that. I do that all the time. I avoid from people saying things, negative things. And then when you keep listening to that, then you won't do it. So if you're gonna listen to a person that's gonna sit there and tell you all type of BS, then you a fool for it. So I was there too. I was a fool for it. But guess what? It didn't happen again. You know? So without that being said, I ain't gonna waste too much of your time. because I know you guys have other things to do as well, like I do too. Um, yeah. If you wanna, before I log in, if you wanna know, if you wanna learn my number one recommendation of affiliate marketing, then are you looking for a best way to start making up to like $50 to 2,000? Then go ahead and click that first link down below, because I know if ClickBank does not work for you, well, it might work for you, but I can't guarantee you might make money the same day. You just got to put in the work. It takes time. It doesn't come there right now. You got to wait till you build up. Wait till you build up your sales first. Then you start seeing results. Then you'll be thanking me later. But yeah. So like I said, if you're looking for an opportunity, my number one recommendation right now is to click that first link if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, because I have a system. I have a automated system that does the work for you, and you can also check that out in the link in the description down below. So I'm going to get started right now. I'm going to log into my Legion secret. All right. So I'm going to show you some of my stats right now. Okay. So I have 1,334. No, 1,034 openings open, and the open rate is 11.49%. Then I have 142 clicks. I have 13 clicks open, 13.73%, and clicks sent, 1.58%. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good right now, as you can see. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to mailing system. All right. So we're gonna add ninth. We're gonna add here. All right. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back to the affiliates page, and we're gonna look for email swipes. So there's email swipes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7. There's like number sevens and stuff. But here's the thing. I know some of you guys are probably like, hey, I want to make some money too. So I'm telling you, man, guys, you need to hop on it. I'm telling you, ClickBank is free. It does not charge. So here's the thing. I'm going to look for an easy way to promote this, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to use a subject name. We're going to say, we're going to use, we're going to use this, for example. We're going to use this right now. Yeah. We're going to copy that. Then we're going to come back. That's going to be the subject line. Okay? We don't need this. We don't need that at all. What we do need is, we need something like this. Right here. We need something like this. Okay, we're going to do something like this. No. Wait. Hold on. I'm going to do something like this. Okay. Copy that. And then we're going to place that in here. All right. There we go. And now, what we're going to do, we're going to highlight this. All right. We're going to come back to ClickBank. And we're going to sort this by Amazon hooks. Okay. Then we're going to generate hop link. Actually, no. Let's do my LGS. Okay. And then we're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna okay. So we're gonna close that. We're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna we're gonna use our URL, ClickBank URL. Bam. All right. So that's it. Okay. All right. So we're gonna use this right now. Perfect timing. All right. So guys, as I'm doing this, you should do the same thing. Okay. Do the same thing as I'm doing. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to how can I insert my pictures? Hmm. Know what? I'm not gonna use this right now. I'm not gonna use that. But this is how you do it. So if you want to learn more about how to get email swipes and everything, just keep watching this video and follow along. Pause this video if if you have like struggling issues, and if I'm going a little bit too fast for you, I'm sorry because I have other things to do. But guys, I'm about to send this out right now, and then if I hopefully hopefully tomorrow I will come back if I can get a sale within within 24 hours. Then we'll see what's happening. Okay, so without that being said, guys, I'm about to send this out right now. Perfect timing is yes, and I'm doing it now as we speaking. All right, so I just sent it out right now. So I won't be back until 9:27 Pacific Standard Time tomorrow. So guys, um, thank you for watching my YouTube video, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, and give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know that you're saying that you're ready to make money online. You know, I want you to say that. Comment down below to say, I want to make money online. All right? Comment down below for the third time. I want to make money online. All right? So I'll see you guys later, and stay safe. All right? Peace.